Welcome. It's time to put a positive end to your day. No matter what kind of day you have had, it's time to say goodbye. Come into presence into this now moment by focusing on your breathing with your eyes closed. Now imagine that you are in a room that contains all the details of your life. This could be your office, it could be your kitchen. You may even want to sit in your car if you do a lot of business in your car. Just choose a place. And then see yourself walking out of the room or climbing out of your car and closing the door behind you. As you do, make a decision to leave the day's events, the events of your week, and anything that has been bothering you behind you. You can completely relax now in your seated or lying position. You have said goodbye to your day. Now be aware of the oxygen that you breathe in effortlessly and naturally. Your body instinctively knows what to do. Breathe in this life force, allowing it to calm you. Settling your breath into your own natural rhythm. Your eyes are steady behind closed lids and gently gazing downwards. This takes your attention away from your mind and into your body. You are aware of your belly gently rising and falling, and your rib cage expands as you inhale. Give your full attention to your breathing. Watch how your body expands and contracts. Now scan your body, consciously letting go of any tension. Starting at your feet, notice whatever they are in contact with. Now soften your legs. Soften your buttocks. Soften your abdomen and chest. Keep breathing. Relax your neck, your shoulders, arms and fingers. Soften your face and scalp. All resistance to being in the present moment floats out of your body easily. Surrender your body to the chair or wherever you are lying. Breathe in, calm. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in, peace. Breathe out, soften. Breathe in, appreciation for the comfort you're experiencing right now. Breathe out. Breathe in, feeling contented. Breathe out, even deeper into relaxation. Breathe in, all is well in this moment. Breathe out, surrender. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now give total presence to your breath and your body. I hope you're feeling relaxed. I have included a link on the video to a heart-opening meditation that flows on beautifully if you need more support for a restful sleep. Please hit subscribe for more daily meditations. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.